Now, viewers, just days after India's blistering response in the Pahalgam terror attack in Operation Sindoor, a cornered, humiliated and terrified Pakistan is back to its old and cowardly playbook. Where its terror proxies exposed, Pakistan resorted to a desperate provocation, opening unprovoked fire across the line of control. For the second straight day after India struck back, Pakistan's army is shamelessly violating ceasefire norms, targeting Kupwara, Baramulla, Uri and Aknoor with small arms and heavy artillery. Pakistan's army shelling hit a Gurudwara, because of which one door and few glasses were shattered. 5 people from the Sikh community have died as well due to this provocation from Pakistan. Houses of Sikh families have been reduced to rubble, forcing families to flee to Kupwara town. This is not crossfire. This is a deliberate attack on the identity, faith and peace of the country, and Pakistan must be held accountable. Let me go across to my colleague Tejshri, is joining us live at this point. Tejshri, this is proof of Pak's cowardice, because it has been targeting Pooch, which is a Muslim majority area. It has also been targeting Gurudwaras, despite claiming to be the country that looks after and cares for the concerns of Sikhs. In every way, Pakistan's intent, Pakistan's cowardice and Pakistan's Pakistan's desperation have been exposed.
Well, absolutely not just the Gurudwara, but also the religious places, the temple as well, from where we are reporting right now. Let me tell you that this particular temple, the temple of Lord Krishna, is located just in the middle of the Poonch city, which surprisingly has no, army cantonment or the post of army over here near this entire area. But you can see the kind of damage this entire, the cross-border shelling, not just that, but the unprovoked firing by Pakistan has caused over here. The entire rooftop of this particular temple has been damaged, and you see, since India is at a lower, this Poonch district particularly is at a lower end over here, so in fact it is very easy for Pakistan to identify that which area is a civil area where civilians reside and which area is an army cantonment area. So if Pakistan had to target on such areas, why Pakistan is deliberately targeting on these areas where people have been staying? Now people also do believe that if this particular temple had not in there, the damage, the explosion could have been much bigger. We'll move this side as well and show you the visuals of the marks that these artillery shelling have caused. You can see not just one mark, but multiple marks have been caused here. You can see over there that the mortar was fired, not just one mortar, but multiple mortars were fired from that particular area, that is the POK, and in fact it has damaged this wall, it has damaged that particular wall. And in fact, can you even imagine that, the iron rods that seems to be 15 millimeter thick, and it is very difficult, to break this iron rod without continuous hammering. But you can see that how this iron rod has completely been broken, and this entire iron rod, you see another iron rod, this iron rod is completely, broken down. I should not say damaged, but broken. So you can see that it is difficult to cut iron into 2 pieces unless there is any strong attack that's been made from the other side. And definitely there was a very intense attack that was made from the side of Pakistan. We also have a priest over here to talk to us. Sir, किस तरह से यहाँ पर डैमेज हुआ है? जानबूझ के पाकिस्तान यहाँ पर आम नागरिकों को टारगेट कर रहा है।
देखो, ये ऐसा नहीं करना था, उन्होंने पब्लिक के ऊपर नहीं टारगेट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये निर्दोष हैं इनके, मगर ये जैसे जिस हिसाब से उन्होंने ये किया है, मगर ये जो धरती है, ये धरती बहुत तपस्वी धरती है। उस तप के बल से जैसी स्थिति देख रहे हैं, जैसा ब्लास्ट हुआ है, इसमें
सर संतों की धरती मानी जाती है, और यहाँ पर भारत जो है वो लगातार आतंकवादियों के अड्डों पर टारगेट कर रहा है, लेकिन पाकिस्तान यहाँ पर मंदिरों पर, गुरुद्वारों पर टारगेट,
मंदिरों पे किया, गुरुद्वारों पे उन्होंने टारगेट किया। फिर भी देखो, एक गुरुद्वारा और मंदिर के होने से ही ये जो है ये पब्लिक बच गई है।
तो लोगों का ये मानना है यहाँ पर कि यदि मंदिर नहीं होता, गुरुद्वारा जिस तरह से बना हुआ नहीं होता, तो कई लोगों की जानें जा सकती थी।
बिल्कुल जाए जाती, क्योंकि ये है उसी तपस्वी जो धरती है, जो तप है ऋषियों महात्मा का, जो इन संतों का, जो ये मंदिर है, गुरुद्वारा है, बहुत इनके बल से, शक्ति से ही ये हमारा बचाव हुआ है
जी।
नहीं तो जान से
कई लोग यहाँ पर इंजर्ड भी हुए हैं, जख्मी हुए हैं,
जख्मी भी हुए हैं, कुछ जख्मी भी हुए हैं, क्योंकि जो होगा कुछ तो होता ही है ना जब कोई भी चीज।
लेकिन कई लोगों का ये भी कहना था कि 1965 के बाद और 1971 के बाद इस तरह से पहली बार पाकिस्तान जानबूझ के आम नागरिकों को और मंदिरों को टारगेट।
देखो, पहले गाँव के रिहायशी लोग, गाँव के जो होता था ऐसा कांड, तो वो सिटी में आते थे, अब सिटी के लोग बाहर चल गए हैं।
बिल्कुल, दैट इज डेफिनेटली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ओवर हियर टू नोट, बट आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू शो यू दैट व्हाई आई एम टॉकिंग अगेन एंड अगेन again about this particular temple being in the mid of the city, because you see that this entire area is so much congested and it is very difficult, you know, to have a free movement over here. So definitely if there is such kind of a cowardly attack that's been made by Pakistan, then it is definitely very much clear, very much sure that there is going to be damage over here, and that this is the kind of
All right.
damage that's been caused. And in fact, we just not showed you one particular